Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing design which you're seeing on the screen. So if you look closely, the dragon, one of it has a magical Sharingan eye and the other has a Rinnegan eye, that's the other two. So I'm going to be giving you the step-by-step process of how you're going to make this design very easily and simple. So first of all, I'm going to set up a riddle question for you guys. So if you know the answer to the riddle, put it in my comment section. And if you don't know the answer, watch the video. I'm going to put the answer anywhere in the video. And on my right you have the resources you're going to use to make this video, so you can see it. I'm going to put a link in my description so you'll be able to download this resource. And without wasting much time, let us begin. So the first thing I'm going to do is selecting my resource. I'm going to go to my trace bitmap, select quick trace, and then ungroup all objects. So I'm going to delete the parts which I don't need, and this is all that I need for this design. I'm going to delete this as well because I don't need it. So then I'm going to change the colors. So I'm going to give it a deep red color. So to do it, I'm going to left click on the red color and hold, and this is going to pop up. I'm going to use a deep red color. Likewise this as well. This I'm going to give it a black color. This is going to be a deep red color. Alright, so now we're done changing the colors. So the next thing we're going to do is to give the shadow effect. So I'm going to start with this one. Go to my shadow tool. Alright, I'm going to drag this down. Now we're going to go to the feathering direction and select middle. We're going to do the same as this. And then we're going to go back to our pick tool. So to easily do that, just going to press the space bar. We're going to easily go back to the pick tool. So we're going to come to this one. We're going to select. So we're going to start with this. Hold your shift key and select this. Select this. So we want to highlight everything. Select this. Select this. So with this, we're now going to go to the shadow tool. Going to drag it from the top. Alright, this is perfect. We're going to take this down. Now we're going to go to the feathering direction, select middle, and this is good. So then that we've done this, we're going to delete this particular stuff because it's not needed. So just needed for this particular purpose. We're going to give the shadow tool for the other objects on this. Just gonna take it down, doesn't really matter. Likewise this is good. Alright, so then we're gonna group this object. So we're gonna select, hold your shift key and select the other parts. So to group is Ctrl G. So you hold your Ctrl and you press the G key on your keyboard, and then go to your bitmaps, convert to bitmaps, select OK, go to your effects, let's go to our distort, under wet paint. So we're going to use this point, the wetness of 42 points and the percentage of 100 points, and that's fine. So once we have done this, we're going to go back to our effects, go to texture and select plastic. So these points are what we're going to use. So the highlight is 0 point, the depth is 27 points, and the smoothness is 34 points, so depth is 57 points, and this is good. So once we have done this, we're going to duplicate it. So to duplicate is Ctrl plus D, so Ctrl D to duplicate. We're going to bring it down here, and this looks good. Good. Alright, so now that we're done with this, the next thing we're going to do is to the eye. We're going to attach the Sharingan and the Rinnegan eye to this dragon. So go to your 2-point line tool, which is over here. We're just going to connect the two dots, the two lines rather, it doesn't matter. So select your shape tool, right click on this line, select to curve. So I'm just going to drag it from here upwards. Same as this. Okay, and now this is good. So I'm going to bring the Sharingan eye from this design. So this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to copy it. And then going to paste it in here. Just Ctrl V to paste. So to copy is Ctrl C and to paste is Ctrl V. So I'm going to reduce the size of it. Reduce the point to hairline. I'm going to edit this. Reduce the point to, let's put it at none. And this is good. So I'm going to bring it close here. Right click, power clip inside this. So I'm going to edit this to adjust it more. I want it to fit inside it. Alright, and this is good. So we're gonna finish it. We're gonna give the eye a red color, a deep red color rather. And this is perfect. So we're gonna duplicate it because we're gonna use it for the other parts of the eye, the other eyes of the dragon rather. So this, we're gonna turn it this way. Alright, so this is perfect. So then I'm gonna bring the Rinnegan eye. So this is like just from the design. This is one of the designs I've done before. So if you want to check out to do this, I'm gonna put a link to in my description. So I'm gonna copy it and paste it over here. So this is power clipped. So I'm gonna ungroup it, which is Ctrl U. I'm gonna bring out this eye. So I just need this part, and this I can delete it. So now that I've done this, I'm gonna bring it in here, So I need to reduce it. Let's reduce the outline of it. And then power clip inside this. Let's go to our edits. So let's reduce this the more, for it is too much. We're gonna reduce this to hairline. We're gonna delete the Sharingan because we don't need it. Alright, and this is good. So then we're gonna duplicate this eye. Oh, sorry, the wrong thing. I'm gonna duplicate it. And we're gonna take it over here. You can increase the size of this. Alright, this is perfect. So with this, we're done with this design. We've done the Sharingan eye, I've done the shadows, we've done the colors and everything. And you can see how it looks just exactly like the original design. So guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.